water, and then you put a lot of hot water. Cold water, a lot of cold water. And then you're gonna put shaving, put baby powder. That's it.